They say if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyeballs will pop out. Sounds terrifying, right? But it's totally false. Sneezing is a full body reflex. When you sneeze, your diaphragm contracts, your chest compresses, and your throat tightens. Your eyes slam shut, but not to protect them from flying out. That's just how your brain stem works. Even if you try to keep your eyes open, they're not in danger. The muscles around your eye sockets are strong, and your eyeballs are securely anchored. The pressure from a sneeze just isn't enough to launch them anywhere. So, go ahead and give it a try. Just keep some tissues handy.